Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class in Ekalaiva. Today I am going to teach you about volleyball. Volleyball is a 110-year-old game. It is introduced in William C. Morgan in YMCA. Meaning of YMCA, Young Man Christian Association. The volleyball play field was arranged in 1947. In 1951, FIVB approved for volleyball play field. Meaning of FIVB, International Federation of Volleyball. Okay, now volleyball court. Length of the court 18 meter, width of the court 9 meter, center line to front zone 3 meter, attacker line to back zone 6 meter, service zone, end line to service zone 3 meter or 3.5 meter. In zonal, start from zonal matches, end from state level matches. In international matches, for service zone 5 meter. Net of the height for men 2.24 meter, for women 2.23 meter. Length of the net 11 meter, width of the net 1 meter. Volleyball rotation and volleyball position. This zone will be service zone, center back zone, this is back zone, center zone and back zone. This is front zone, is left attacker, setter and right attacker. This is the position for volleyball. Volleyball rotation will be clockwise. Okay, volleyball rotation will be clockwise, position will be clockwise. Volleyball. Weight of the volleyball 260 gram to 280 gram. Circumambulation சுற்றளவு is 65 centimeter to 67 centimeter. Service, move to the skill. First one is service. There are three types of service in volleyball. Underarm service, number 1, number 2, overarm service or tennis service or spiking service. The same three names for same service, and underarm and overarm. Then last one is jump service. Underarm service and overhand service, position for this ball will be in your opposite hand. This is my power hand. Then touch the ball, you will connect the ball in above the forehead. Okay, touch the ball, then you will beat the ball in your forehead. Okay, this is spiking service. Underarm service in your underarm level. Okay, your waist level, you will beat the ball. Okay, that is called underarm service. Ball tossing position. This ball will be tossed, then watch the ball, you will beat in your forehead, above the forehead. Such, but how to watch the ball in service. Okay, see this picture. Next, jump service. Jump service is medium pass. Pass will be medium, then you will be open your chest, jump and open your chest, then beat the ball. Just jump and beat the ball. Okay. Next, underhand pass. So basic pass for volleyball. This pass, both arm will be forward, then lock of fingers, okay, bend your knee, then you will beat the ball in your four hands or elbows, okay. This is position, okay. Then we will connect the ball in your forehand, okay. This is position for hand ram. See this picture, stretch your elbow, don't bend your elbow, elbow should be stretchable, okay. Lock of fingers, then you will beat in your forehands. Watch this picture. Watch the ball, then you will beat, connect the ball, you will be four hands, elbows. See this, okay. Next one is overhand pass. Overhand pass is you stand properly with your shoulder level, feet up at your both leg, then your arms should be close, little bit close your forward, open your fingers, then ball should be in, your knee will be bent, then you give the pass, stretch your hands and up to same time up the knee, okay. This pass will be overhand pass. See this picture. Watch the ball, okay. Stretch the ball in, ball out will be this. This is next skill will be spiking. Spiking is a very important for volleyball skills. Spiking is a very important in volleyballs. You watch the ball and third pass will be spikers. So our team setter will be set the pass in spikers. You see, watch the ball and jump, watching, then will be spike, okay. Third pass, spiker to ready to jump and spike the ball. Every third pass, setter will be set the ball, or right spiker or left spiker. Watch the ball, then move to the spiking. See this, how to back arch in spiking, how to jump, okay. See the picture. Next one, how to connect the ball. Ball will be, you jump and connect, ball head of the ball. Head of the ball you push the down, beat in the downward. Next one is blocking. Blocking is very important for volleyball skill. Opponent setter will be set in right side spiker, in you right side blocker will be at same time ready to blocking the right side spiker. You will be spiking with right side, you go to the ball, watch the ball and spiker how to spike and jump and block, okay. This is blocking position. Your finger will be down in opponent court. See this, how to block, single hand block. This double man block. Setter and right spiker both you go to the double man block. Single man block, double man block, you will see. Same time, same skill. Next move on lifting. Lifting is a new word. Nothing to new word. This setter will be called lifting in volleyball play. The setter, the lifter will be backbone of volleyball game, because you set the third pass is our setters, right setter or left setter. You are setting the pass, then you will got the beating and beat the ball and then got the point. Easy to Got the point. How to setting, same position for overhand position. Okay, see this, watch the ball, set the right spikers. Say this position, how to set the left spiker. Is a setting to left spiker. Next is skills. Today you learning this all the skills: underarm, overarm, service, jump service, spiking service, lifting, drop, and blocking. So all the skills you know. Okay. Next, same volleyball team positions, how to block volleyball, white up the ball. Okay, blocking, spiker, it's the same thing. Okay, listen. All of you enjoy this class, I know. You enjoy the class. Okay, I will see next class in volleyball rules and regulation and how to play in volleyballs. Okay, thank you.